六七零开炮，然后对大家慢慢下进入，看好往往开始是，Bravo！ And with a great message from yourself. Before the horses, the angels of the water, the shield of the fire, the shield of the demons of the cross, with my angels and wings. Wings on stage. Uno, dos, front. Si vous break, si vous take a shower, bring the ring, come on. To my house, I'm going to bravo. Check small. It's a moment that I get check the sound. Well done, beautifully. Let's do it on some mama. Let's go this whole game. What the hell? Pretty much. The nearest one is versus the toy. The referee is not this one. Start match. But whatever. Hey, who will make the score? Yes, I'm good at it. Hold on. Stop shooting. Let's go. Let's go here. Let's be final. By the way, see this using the reverse for swimming. It's not Mozart. يلا حبيبي we're all starting. Look at that. Look how she's looking. She's a lady, amazing lady. Yeah. Flying distance. I love it. To the VIP and brown seats here. Salute to Puma! She would say, gracias, muchas gracias, jóvenes, como a su hija, arigato. Greetings, say Stuti, shukran jazilan, salamat, gracias, fantastica. Thank you, all. A great team together, the handsome cleaner and the lovely QC. And now Mary is going home right at the house. So do something. Tune in, time with me, my friends, and let's say bye-bye, Manusa, bye-bye, Tole.
The baby is coming first. 2 years old, you must only imagine how and bonding. Pray for the love, pray free, the 2 rings, and something to the joy. For the Goldwing, thank you Goldwings. And the Sugi, we bring the love and bring the bond to go with the joy. One hope, one love, and one belief. In their soul to do together the beautiful ones. This year we will fly one more roll. Thank you.
Luna, Gabriel, thank you to come back with your sister. And now, dolphins are going to jump and fly to the sky. And opposite Watching can reach up to 32 kilometers in 1 hour of speed. This is the right. The innovation keep the sun. Mashallah, they are so clever.
to share the beautiful biological frame. The arm. All right. Everybody listen to us now. Only for this presentation.
Luna is 3 years old. She is the cutest but the strongest. Wait a minute. Let me show you the girl's power. Because I always say, girls are stronger than boys. Yeah. Fly. She said she don't want to fly because she needs some support. Come on everybody, clap your hands for the dolphins. Clap your hands. Let's do this. I go. Around the world, 42 species of dolphins. Nino and Raymond de la Quinta Clement of the large. The largest is the orca, the smallest is the mummy. Dolphins here, bottlenose dolphins. Yalla Luna, you are strong girl! I told you, mates. Listen, dolphins. Wow. That's it, right on. That's it, shit. Beautiful. Okay, also you have 35 copies of it. But there's something happening. How many people have this? Not as strong. I don't know if you know what's the that's here. Now, from people walking station, what goes up? They will find out that's not such a possible test. Who Hey, look how that came like fish. Because they're fish, they're not sharks. They won't let me understand. That's just not what establish. Mom, the answers. Wow! I don't know what time, but I'm not got this one. Oh, it's great. Yes.
Everybody clap your hands, brother. Take it. Now, would you like to get a kiss from the seal? It's a memorable. Come. I want you to stand over here. He will come again. To the camera. Smile, my brother. Thank you for joining us. And bring up all the way. Make you have to love. Hold your shit line. Listen, friends. The big brother wants to leave, but the small brother said we're going to do it together. So they agree. Okay, let's do it together. Always remember, if you have a big brother in your family, you are blessed. If you have a big sister, you have a guardian angel. And if you have Maggie, you all the way in the house, by the way. Thank you. Hey, friends.